Hi, I'm Paul Mullis. I'm part of the facilities team. I have a specific role within the team. I'm the Sustainability and Health and Safety Officer, and I look to implement and develop the firm's environmental goals.
Hi, my name is Ben Butcher. I'm the Facilities Manager here at Travers. I support Paul in a number of the areas mentioned just, and enable to roll out different initiatives across the business correctly with the right communications.
As I mentioned earlier, I want to help the firm minimise its environmental impacts, and part of that is our carbon footprint.
We recycle across a number of streams. In fact, there's very little that we don't recycle. Paper, glass, plastic, clothes, coffee, batteries, IT equipment. And if someone comes to us with another potential area, we will always look at it very seriously. The way that we roll out a lot of the recycling initiatives and procedures is always taken, certainly we feel, very well by the business as a whole. Everybody's on board, everybody's keen to do their part, and that makes us very proud to work within a business that seems to 100% care about the environment and the way that we perform and behave.
Yes, adding on to that, both of us within our roles recognise the climate crisis at the moment, and therefore we do understand how important it is to reduce our carbon footprint across the board, looking at our waste streams, energy management, and a number of different areas, and our supply chain. To help with that, we share good practice with a number of other people, and we are a member and have been a member for the last 12 years of the Legal Sustainable Alliance. We share good practice with other law firms within the legal community, and we look at our goals and objectives against theirs to make sure we're on the right track, and we try to really lead with our initiatives that we work on.
Whenever we are looking to appoint new contracts or tender existing contracts, as part of that process, one of the most important things to us is that they adhere to the carbon reduction that we as a firm are trying to do. So we look at things such as delivery routes to ensure that we're on a path, and if that means the deliveries come to us at a certain type of the day, then that's where it is. We don't ask to be the first point at the first time. We push electrical vehicles for our deliveries, such as stationery, milk, some of the free issues that we do. And we also ask for people to use cycle power where possible. And having done that, and we have been doing that for quite some time now, certainly over the last 2 to 3 years, it's also been quite nice to see that the contractors that we are talking to have used that as a selling tool when they've gone and visited other companies. And we're quite proud that we were one of the first people to start pushing that as an initiative.
It's really refreshing to also work for an organisation when it comes to the legal side of what we have to comply with from a sustainability and carbon reporting. Is not just to do the minimum, but to go beyond that. And at Travers Smith, they always want to go beyond, which is really good. And we always look at the higher scope, so we can look at ways in which we can reduce our carbon footprint across the board.